Hey guys, I'm out here walking around in Manhattan. Now Chipotle doesn't have any outdoor seating, but the fancy restaurant does. Why is that? And they're right here. Hey Tracy. Man, Mr. Mean Green is gone. I can't believe it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Every time I look in here, I think, oh, nice comfortable bed. Yes. V-Spring, luxury beds, they've been making beds since 1901. Rocios Rodriguez. I guess they're from England. I can only imagine how much these beds cost. Ugh. Hi Tom, how are you? Walking around in Manhattan in the rain. Thinking about my friend who passed away. Of course, now, he wasn't doing any of the work necessary to stay here. And then I look at my other friend who just turned 63, who just finished 18 radiation treatments. And he's doing handstands and, it's a choice. Some people choose to live, some people choose to fight, some people say fuck it. Hi Mama Connie, how are you? I do know this, that when we met, I was shocked at how he ate and thought, well, that's not going to work. And then after that, he told me I hadn't heard from him because he didn't feel well, but he never told me he had cancer. If he had told me that, I would have said, well, you can do this, 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 and that. But if you do this, this, and that, that might not work out too good. So, oh God, I love this park. This is Madison? I think it's called the Madison Park. So, it's been a rainy day. I just took a long nap. Signal again. Always some construction going on in Manhattan. I guess they're renovating this building. Yes. So I guess I'll take my walk down Union Square. Moscow, Almaty, Yerevan, Long Island, St. Petersburg, Ivory Coast, Athens, New York, and Dubai. Togas, house of them. Haven't seen a picture of you in the jumper. There's a famous Flatiron building. There it is. That building there is famous. Built like a flatiron. In a triangle shape. Memories of New York. They're looking to put their stuff on a website. Oh, they even have the toy soldiers made up. All kinds of little stuff. Now. No one's eating outside because it's raining. It's not really raining, it's drizzling. And it's right before dinner time, so lunch people have left. There's a little lull before dinner. so pretty, but it's so beautiful when it's overcast like this. It really, really is. Kitchen, bath, and hardwood. Now, every time I walk by here, these girls are busy on their computers. On a Sunday, selling baths? Okay. Baths and kitchens are still busy. That business is thriving. Cheryl Quinnen. Rich Hubbard, welcome. We're just walking around in a drizzle. Let's come over here. Oh, good news, guys. They just announced that August 24th, the museums are opening back up with limited social distancing viewing. And they're getting ready to open up the gyms. Oh, God, thank you, Lord Jesus. Because I have silver sneakers, and I can join any gym I want in Manhattan, like 24-hour fitness or any place like that. A little baby screaming in the stroller. So there's the famous Flatiron building. Hi. Oh, my little baby. My little baby. My little baby. Now this is random seating in the square. Hole in the wall cafe and cocktail bar now open. Where? No one's sitting here because it's wet. There's PetSmart. Nice, nice, nice. I turned silences and nights into words. What was unutterable, I wrote down. I still miss him. Aww. This is too cute. Somebody misses their dog. Waninini, Vanessa McDonald. We're walking around Manhattan in the rain, in the drizzle, because it's not really raining. But people are out because it's not really raining. Italy, I've heard of them before. Look at the gate over there, how nice it is. You know, architecture in Manhattan is amazing. Oh my God, look. Adriana. Good day, Waninani. How are you? I'm just walking around because I'm bored. And I was so depressed about my friend, I just laid down and went to sleep. I said, all right, that's it. Nothing else to do on a rainy day. I was listening to, oh my God, what's his name? Wayne Dyer. Reading his book, No Limits. And then my roommate came in, so I had to shut it off. Because I was too lazy to put it on my headphones. Is that a stoop I can sit on? No, we can't complain. We're alive. We are alive. Main entrance on 25th Street. Indoor play, children's class. I'm going to sit right. It's wet. Ah! You can't sit there because it's wet. Now, yesterday I went down to the East Village and had lunch. And then I walked around where I used to live at. And I walked on the block where I used to have an apartment. And I just stood around and cried and cried and cried. All the memories when I was a young woman. I mean, young, 21, 22, 23, 24. And I walked around the places there. The St. Mark's Bar is gone. The famous St. Mark's Bar where the Rolling Stones filmed their music video is gone. I cried. I just stood outside the bar and cried. I was like, it's gone. I said, Queen, you're getting old. Look at the gray hair in your hair. So then I saw a young girl. I was on 11th Street between A and B, and I'm standing around looking crazy. So I just told her, I said, you know what? I used to live on this block when I was a real young woman. And I couldn't remember which building it was, but I remember I had a small one-bedroom, and I could lay in my bed and look down the hallway to the living room. And the living room had exposed brick walls, and I painted it brick red. And I painted the bathroom hot. I mean hot pink. This is during the punk rock era. It was my first little apartment. And I remember when I was looking for that apartment, they had showed me some apartments that had bathtubs in the kitchen. And they used to put a board over the bathtub, and that would be like your kitchen table. And I thought, oh, that's just ridiculous. I can't do that. But that was like real ghetto living back in the day in the East Village. If you had a bathtub in your kitchen, it's like, all right. Then they started refurbishing the places. But yeah, bathtub in the kitchen in the East Village. So I walked all around there, and the restaurants where we used to eat on 6th Street are no longer cheap. They used to be cheap. They're no longer cheap. You could eat on that whole street for under $10 a plate. Forget about that. Everything's gentrified. And all the restaurants used to be in competition with each other, too. I used to love that. All of 6th Street, East Indian food on the cheap. No longer. Then I went to Tompkins Square Park and cried and thought about when I used to have my daughter in a stroller, my older daughter, Wonder, in a stroller, and just cried. So it was just a day of crying. And then I opened up my phone and found out that Mr. Green passed away. More tears. And then our soloist at Agape passed away. More tears. I'm like, damn. Now, understand this. I only met this guy one time. One time. He was super fucking fabulous. We hit it off right away, right on camera. He was a live streamer. I was a live streamer. He was in the business. I was in the business. I called my aunt. She's 74 just to say love you. Yes. Yes. Exactly. So, from time to time, he used to try to keep in touch with me, but he didn't have really good communication skills. So, and plus, I'd be moving around too much. Then he started giving 420 parties, but the people he was giving parties with was different days than people I was giving parties with. So we never caught up with each other. And it's all right. Two different lifestyles, man. Oh, yeah, I mean, he smoked marijuana the way I smoke marijuana. I was like, where'd you come from? Where? Yeah, we had an epic, on my birthday, too. Fuck that. I'm touching my face. I'm touching my face. I'm kissing people. I'm hugging people. I'm touching my face. And you'll get blocked talking that bullshit in my room. I don't give a fuck about Corona VV. I cannot live like that. Can't hug nobody. Can't touch their hand. I can't live like that. I am a human being. I'm touching my fucking face. Matter of fact, let me take off the goddamn mask right now. Taking my mask off. I'm outside. No one is around me. Nobody. Social distancing. You see anybody near me? I'm by myself, alone. You happy? I'm isolated. Jesus fucking Christ, man. I was spreading the coconut oil on my face. Do you mind? I am safe. You know what? If you want to put some blessings on me, tell me to be prosperous. Tell me to be happy. Tell me to be adventurous. Tell me to be excited. Tell me to be passionate. Tell me to be giving. And tell me to be safe. And tell me to breathe. Yeah, man, fuck that don't touch your face and be safe and all that. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, and the same people who are saying be safe walk over the homeless like they dead and don't even stop and say, hey, how you doing? Do you need anything? You need a mask? You need a cup of water? You need a bath? You need a hug? Yeah. Walk past old people, don't even say nothing to them. Hey, auntie, how you doing? You all right? You need to walk across the street? Y'all don't do nothing. But let somebody don't have a mask on. Oh! Nah, I ain't the one. I'm gonna keep it real, real. When I'm outside in nature, I don't wear a mask. I don't know anybody. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Na, 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 na. They call you Karen. I don't know if that's something to be proud of. Really. That name I wouldn't want to be called. Oh, man. Well, I feel better now. It's only 10 minutes past 2. Wow. They call me queen. If you're a white woman and people are calling you Karen, that is a bad thing. Especially if black people are calling you Karen. Karen is a spoil heart, somebody who spoils up a situation with some foolishness. Usually not true. Italian. What is Italian? Oh, mask required. There's so many restaurants that are not open. Now, see, this one is totally. It's just what? A place to sit. Wow. I love it. I can sit right here. I love New York. Oh, it's your nickname. That's your nickname, Karen? Oh, God. That's funny. I'm so glad I found a dry seat here. I found a seat right here. Let's do some people watching. I'm doing better than okay. Just chilling out in Manhattan. Found me a nice dry spot. Look how dry it is. It's dry. Oh, thank you. It's good to be seen, Denise. I'm telling you. I am happy to be alive. Now, if I had a tripod, I would just sit it right here and let it run. Just let it run. This is Queen Raw. We're broadcasting live from New York City on a side street. It's been drizzling. People are walking around doing their shopping. Yeah, it was raining. Oh, she came to get a pizza. It was raining. And then Why would you throw a rock at the car? I'm on 26th Street, maybe. I don't think anybody's in the car. I don't know where that sound's coming from. You hear it, right? It's not coming from the car, it's coming from something else. Yes, coming from this building. Isn't that weird? Something behind here. Yes, in this building here. It's not the car. The guy's just in the car chilling. It's some kind of alarm. Only in New York. Some random beeping. So I'm getting a sticker made for Mr. Mean Green to send to his friends. You know? Look, he died one day after his birthday. He was born on August 13th. And he died on August. I just woke up from a nap. Oh, you look tired today. Oh, gee, thanks. I just woke up from a nap. Lazy, laid back day. Oh, plus I've been crying. That's what it is. I've been crying. I'm busted. I've been crying. Big old emo today. People come to New York and don't get a chance to move around because the place is expensive. And either you're in a car or if you're walking, it's just tired walking everywhere. But it's the kind of place that's best to see it by foot or bicycle. Or on the bus. Or on the train. Oh, you like this, Jack? This is True Religion. Oh, look at the little baby. Ah, look at the little baby feet. Hi. Oh, hi. See, people are out and about. They're glad to be out. Yeah, so I was crying. Now, get it. Yesterday, I was in my old neighborhood crying. I mean, when I tell you, I walked all around through Tompkins Square, through to Avenue B, where I used to get, man, to the window where the guy used to yell out to try to, you know, make a pass at me. Oh, I really went through memory lane. I can always message you if I need you. If I need you for what? What's going on? Katie. Oh, yeah, so anyway, this jacket is True Religion. I got it on sale. But it's very nice and it's comfortable. The only thing is they made the neck piece too little. I can barely get my head through it. Oh, you're so cute. See you later, Katie. Oh, I'll inbox you. Love you up a little bit, yeah. Also, it was Nipsey Hussle's birthday. He was a Leo, too. And it was Queen Afua's birthday the other day. All these Leos. And Vaughn Benjamin, who passed away last year, was his birthday. Leos be doing it. Do I get my messages? Do I get your messages? I think so. What did you message me now? I got the messages about the Black Lives Matter mural yesterday. I went over there. It was so damn hot, I had to leave. It was too hot on the block. But it was nice to see the mural. Also, that's the area around where I got shot. So I find when I'm over there, I don't feel quite comfortable. I wonder why. Staying away from there. Today's your husband's birthday. All the Leo nations, all the lions. Everybody's, oh, it's a miniature greyhound. Oh, look at, he's so cute. Abuse. Tapping her ass. Even white men tap that ass. That's amazing. And your mom's birthday's tomorrow? Oh my God. All the Leos and lionesses and lions. I have a lot of friends who are Leos. A lot. I get along with Leo. Even my son-in-law was a Leo. Yes, I saw that. I said, even white guys slap that ass, man. They're obsessed. Oh, you sent me several messages yesterday? I don't know if I saw them. I'll have to look. The Wi-Fi is weird. I can't explain it. Beep, 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 beep. Beep. People are shopping, getting their Sunday dinner. Maybe she had a bug on her, but it was something he was trying to get off of it and then try to get a little slap at the same time. Oh, you had your butt slapped, but not in a long time? The last time I had my butt slapped, it was slapped with a bullet. So I'm not too happy about that, boy. I'm just glad to be alive. I think the sun is trying to come out. Nice. I think the sun is trying to come out. Beep, beep. People are so impatient. Rush, rush, rush. Ooh, it is a nice, laid-back, rainy day. He's trying to find... No, you are not going to fit in there. No, you're not going to fit there. Of her hair. Porsche, Maserati. Nice. Oh, they're gonna leave. Perfect. What am I planning to do for the rest of today? Listen to motivational speakers. Take it easy. Maybe pull out my laptop and do some writing. Tomorrow I have a big day. My caseworker wants to meet with me in the morning and get all the paperwork for housing. And then tomorrow I gotta call Mr. Lewis and tell him that my Medicaid's open and see what good news he has for me. That's what I'm saying. All my little paperwork is dropping in for housing. So tomorrow I meet with my caseworker. She wants the income letter, the Medicaid thing, the bit, boo. And she's going to take copies of all of that. And then the next thing I'll get from her is an appointment for housing. Which doesn't mean I'm going to get housing right away. It just means they put me in the system to search and match me up for housing. But also, because of Medicaid, also puts me in for different programs for housing. And I saw one of my sisters from the Help Women's shelter, my African sister, and she said that they moved her, and she's very happy where she's at. She has her own room. I don't think she has her own bathroom, but she has her own room. She said the food is good. She can cook there. She's very happy. A lot of people don't want to go into the shelter system, but that's where it starts at. You just got to suck it up. And, oh yeah, it's already done. I've already started moving stuff out of my room. I have only one bag of clothes in my room and my computers and my correspondence stuff. That's all I got. And every day I've taken stuff out of the room to keep the room clear. So that when it's ready for me to move, I just got one suitcase and I'm out. I got it all planned. Yep. Oh, they're going out on a date. It's Sunday. People try to, get out there and do something. Oh, she looks so nice, man. I remember them days, tipping around in high heels. Oh, sexy gal. Those shoes look nice on her, though. Well, yeah, that's how you get it. You have to go through the shelter system. It sucks, but you got to do it. They will not help you unless you all the way ass out. Why can't they help people before they get to that point? A test is just a test. Why are you nervous? That's why I ain't getting tested. What'd you get a test for? Are you having symptoms? If you don't have no symptoms, don't get tested. Make yourself a nervous fucking wreck. She's not feeling well. Water, lemon, and cayenne pepper. Matter of fact, you know what, everyone? Work on your immune system. Do your own COVID testing. Cut mucus out of your diet. Drink your water, lemon, and your cayenne pepper. Take a bowel cleanser. Go get a colonic. Yeah, it's nothing to worry about. It's just a test. Why are you still diabetic? How come you haven't taken care of that? Didn't I tell you about that movie, Raw in 30 Days? If you're one of my followers and you tell me I'm diabetic, the first thing I'm going to tell you is go to YouTube and go watch Raw in 30 Days with Dr. Gabriel Cousins. Any type is healable. Watch Raw in 30 days. Anything that you got is here. Fibromyalgia, lupus, type 1, type 2, hep C, hep A, all of it is curable. All of it. If you got diabetes, you can't eat no rice, no bread, no chips, no milk, no dairy, no fried foods, nothing dead. Let me go find the movie right now and repost it. I'll see you guys later. And let me tell you something about my friend who passed away. Here you have two guys who had the same diagnosis, cancer. One, when I saw him, was eating pork and posted up pictures of steak and all kinds of bullshit. The other one just went through 14 radiation treatments and is doing headstands on the beach. One's dead, one's doing headstands. You gotta do work to heal yourself. And stop dragging your disease around like a pocketbook. Oh, I have diabetes 1, I have diabetes 2. I don't have shit. I'm healing myself. That's why I eat watermelon every day. Watermelon cleans the liver. Yes, tell her. Let me post up some stuff right now. I got work to do. See you later.